guys, welcome to Playtime with the Physical Therapist. Today I'm going to review the Lovevery Babbler kit, which is targeted towards toddlers who are 13 to 15 months old. And I know in the last month or so, Lovevery has made some changes to this box, and the one that we'll be reviewing today will be the new one. So around 13 to 15 months, you might notice that your toddler is beginning to cruise on his or her own. He or she might be able to take objects in and out of containers, throw objects, assist with dressing and undressing. Some things that you might notice is towards later of the 13 and 15 months that your toddler is beginning to walk independently and unassisted, and that he or she really likes to imitate adults, whether it's with facial expressions or motions, and they're getting better at following simple commands. So let's get started. The ever so popular and well-loved ball run. So they made a couple changes to the ball run. Instead of 3 balls, it comes with 2, the slide and seek ball run. They kept the 2 balls that rattle. The third one used to not rattle and it was just silent. The other change you'll notice is that this used to be purple, but now it's a teal color. The ball one is great for your little ones to start growing in fine motor control and growing their strength, because you'll notice the ball just sits at the top and they'll need to use a gentle push for the ball to go down and into the box. And it's great because there are 4 different ways for your toddler to retrieve the object. Whether you want to pull down the door this way, open this way, or lift up. And the last one is, this is fabric, and they need to be able to reach in, find the ball, and pull it back out. So that does require a little bit of effort on their part. So it works with not only object permanence, as they realize the object is still there even though they can't see it, but also with some strength and problem solving as they figure out how to get the ball back. So my toddler really likes to put pom-poms or her little cars down the slide and seek ball run to see what fits, what rolls, and what doesn't. So these are all great ideas for you to extend the use of this toy. And I know sometimes the loud noise of the ball rolling and then landing in the box might be a little startling. So what you can also do is put maybe a piece of felt or fabric inside to kind of pad the bottom and to decrease the loud noise. It's also a great tool to use with counting. My young one likes to put pom-poms down while she counts out loud to see how many she can let roll down before it fills up. And the next item in the box that we'll look at is one that was also there in the original box, which is the Circle of Friends. It's a great tool for your young one to start learning big, medium, small, or big, bigger, biggest, small, smaller, smallest. What's nice is that you can also change out the pictures, not change out, but you can put pictures of familiar faces such as family or friends here, so that when your little one takes it off, there'll be a pleasant surprise underneath. If you notice that your young one is having difficulty matching or working the puzzle, one way that you can make it a little easier is by just taking a regular piece of paper, covering the middle 3, so that he or she just has to work on the biggest circle and the smallest circle without having to worry about the middle. And as he or she masters that, you can progress that by adding in the middle one or any of the other ones. And the next item in the box is a new one. This is called the Bunnies in a felt burrow. So this item comes with the felt burrow, per the title, and 3 cotton bunnies, which are actually really cute. Let me find the other one right here. So this also helps with bilateral coordination, hand coordination, meaning that your little one can use one hand to hold the felt burrow while manipulating the bunnies with the other hand, trying to use some strength to push the bunny in, or to figure out how to get all 3 bunnies in and realize that he or she can still take the bunnies out to play again. You can also add other items in there, such as pom-poms or other little household items. My little one likes to carry this around just because of how cute the bunnies are, and they're really fun to play with for her. And the next item is a flexible wooden stacker. So it looks like they've changed some of the colors on the rings. Let's see if I can get them off first. All right. So the flexible wooden stacker comes with about 10 rings, I think. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 rings. 2 of each color. There's a red, orange, yellow, green, teal-ish, blue, and purple. And they just stack on top. It's a great tool for your kids to learn how to color match as well. You have the 2 reds, the 2 oranges, and also about spatial relationship of how to put things on top of one another and how they fit. If it's too difficult for your young one at first, you can help by always mirroring or by tilting the flexible wooden part towards him or her so that it's easier for them to reach and place the ring on top. This is also a really great safety feature, I think, because if you have a toddler running around or if your little one for some reason topples over, this actually will move with the babe so that it doesn't poke them or injure them or harm them in any way. And it's also fun because you can have the different colors here and then have your toddler try to match these colors with the other set of rings and just place them on top like that. And then have them transfer it onto here one at a time. And one of the last items would be the new wooden coin box. So it used to be made out of all wood. They've changed it so that the tops are interchangeable, but they are now made out of silicone. The box itself is still wood, and the bottom is still the same. It's magnetic, like the old one, but this is not compatible with the old wooden box, so you can't take just the tops and switch out the top of the old wooden one. I think it's a little smaller. So let's see. So usually it's recommended to start with the coin slot. So this is a great tool for your toddler to work on manipulating items with like the pincer grasp that they've been developing, learning how to get this coin into this small slot, so also spatial relationship. So they can either figure out by turning the coin itself to get it in, or some toddlers I know will think of even turning the box to get that coin in. The other thing you can use this later on as an extension play is you can add stickers on them. So you can add numbers so the babe can practice counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 comes with 5 wooden coins. You can also buy some extra wooden ones off Amazon, or you could put pictures of family members or pets, or even different colored dots on them to work with color sorting. And the next progression from this toy would be the carrot top one. So the holes are all the same size for the carrot top. The carrots are silicone as well. Your toddler can practice planting the carrots because they don't fall right in. And they could also practice picking them out. And then as they figure out, oh, with some strength, they can push in, the carrots will fall right in. I do wish, however, that the carrots came in different sizes or their circles came in different sizes to work on some more problem solving of the big, medium, small concept. You could either take the carrots out from the top or show your toddler that the magnetic bottom part falls out. Comes out, not falls out, so that you take the carrots out. Oops. Alright, and the last one is the posting lid. The posting lid, it looks like this. It has kind of like these crosses for holes. Pops right on. So this doesn't actually come with any tools that the box provides, but they do recommend using household items such as a cotton swab. Some things that I've found that my babe likes to use include, let me grab them, pipe cleaners. So pipe cleaners work. These are a little long. You can cut them in half or in thirds or fold them. You just have your little work on the fine motor control of pushing it through and all the way in. You could also use popsicle sticks. You can also use popsicle sticks. So one of the smaller ones, they fit really nicely into the holes. This one, it is a little more snug, so it will require more strength from your toddler to push in, but it does go all the way in. And then what you can also do is, as an extension idea, is I found these little like circle stickers. They come in different colors. Looks like this. You could just, I cut some slits in them. I don't know if you can see. And then I just put it over the top of the post. And then I offer my babe, as she's learning her colors. So I started with just one color, just to make it easy and for higher rate of success. And then as she progressed, I gave her 2 options and would have her try to color match. So red sticker with a red popsicle stick, and then she would just find, I would add more stickers and she would just push the popsicle stick in to match with the color that she found for this sticker. That would work on color matching and color sorting for the babe. And the last item, which is also a new item, is a Bedtime for Zoe. They used to include other books, including the Colorful Foods book and Where's Cru's Shoe, but they've replaced it with Bedtime for Zoe, which is one about like a routine for your toddler as they get used to predictable things in the day, and that way they can assist with part of the routine as they grow. It's a great book, and that way they can also know if something is different in the routine. They might be able to point that out and you could talk them through it. But this is great for your toddler as he or she goes through a routine to prepare for bed. All in all, I do like the changes that they made with the new Babbler kit, and I still think it's a great box for the price that they have it at, which is around $120 before tax. I think that the new toys that they include were very intentional and very purposeful to develop certain fine motor activities or other skills. Let me know what you think about the new changes, or if you have any other ideas for extension activities with this kit. Thanks for watching Playtime with the Physical Therapist. See you next time.